and welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is going to be an easy chocolate almond bark with only 3 ingredients: crunchy almonds, creamy silky chocolate, and flaky salt. In a double boiler or a microwave, melt the chocolate with 2 tablespoons of flavorless oil. The oil gives it that silky, pourable texture that we're looking for. Onto a small tray lined with parchment, lay the almonds flat. Make sure to use raw, unsalted almonds. And pour that chocolate all over top, creamy and luxurious. And spread the chocolate to the edges using a spatula. This is an amazingly easy chocolate treat to make. Once you spread the chocolate to the edges, this is optional, but you can, and I like to top it off with flaky salt. Look at that salt. Look at that. Chill it for an hour, and then cut them into strips. Give it a little muscle. And then go ahead and cut them into squares. I absolutely love this recipe. Perfect for treats any time of the year. And look at that. Kind of healthy too, right? With natural almonds. Right. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.